Hey everybody, I was at Best Buy today because I got, now some of y'all might have got this, where you got uh, a special certificate from Best Buy from $5 to $5,000. They scan your barcode to see, are you getting $5,000 reward, $5 reward or $5,000 reward, certificate reward to buy anything off, anything off. So all I got was $5 rewards. So what I did with that $5 was buy my GoPro Hero battery for my GoPro Hero 7. And this new battery with this blue that came with the GoPro Hero 8 that came out. So now, see, it goes from 6, 7, and 8. So now, I opened it already, but I haven't completely opened it. I had to tear this off because it was like, man. So I bought it, so I took my $5 and just bought this. And it came up to $16.70. It was 21, but it came up to 16 bucks. So now we're gonna put this battery in. Now, I got this GoPro in April of this year. And I need to tell y'all something. When you use your GoPro, turn everything off. Pro tunes everything, because and always check to see if the camera's completely off, because this camera has been like, I don't know if I don't pay attention, but the battery has been draining real quickly when I cut it off and give it a couple, it's been drained. So always check to see if everything off on your GoPro. When you turn it off completely, check and see if it's completely off. Bluetooth, turn your Bluetooth off, turn your connections off, everything, because it will burn your battery down. And you'd be wondering, what? I just charged the battery, and it was just completely down. So this is the original battery that's in there. So I just got an extra battery, because I have an extra battery for my GoPro Hero 4, but I have never had to use it yet. So let's look at this GoPro battery, new one. Hold on. So I pulled it out of here. This is what it looks like and stuff. Pulled it out of this box. Let's see if there's anything in here. Oops. Some instructions. It's a warning. More is likely, be careful of these batteries and stuff. Then, what is this? This can't be no manual with no freaking battery. Look at this. What does it say? Limited lifetime. Yeah. So, let's pull this battery out. Now they say this blue battery is supposed to be more better for the Hero 8. I don't know what it's going to do for the Hero 7, but we'll see. Because when we went there, the man said that's all he have now is just this battery. So if you're trying to go look for, hold on, let me get the other battery out. I'll show you. I don't think I can do it and hold the camera at the same time. I can't pull it out. Hold on. Okay, so here's your original battery that came with the camera. Let's come over here, little camera. This is your original GoPro battery. This battery is different from this blue one. Look at, you have blue on it. You know, they said this blue was supposed to make the 8 better and stuff because of Hyper Smooth 2.0, and only you have on 7 is just Hyper Smooth. So see the difference and stuff. So you see the difference. Now this is the original battery that came with this camera. Now this is the new battery. So I got to charge this battery on this camera and stuff. So this is the original battery that came with the camera and stuff. So now put this one in and charge it up. Then put it back in the box. Because there's nothing really wrong with this battery. Like I said, I got it in April. We've been having some problems because you have to completely cut your GoPro off. Always check it to see if it's completely off. Pro tunes off, connections off, because you will burn these batteries down. You're like, what happened? I charged the battery, but so yep. So let's squeeze this battery in. this new battery, then plug it in. I want to see if it's gonna make this camera any better though. Let's see, am I putting it in right? I have like 3 GoPro cameras, 4, 5 sessions. 5 sessions was a great camera. I'm surprised they didn't, because that was like the mini camera, mini water camera. You know, I'm surprised that camera didn't do so well. There we go. Shit. Did this? Let me see. No, I don't even know if I'm putting this in right. Damn it. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so now we want to put it in this way. I did it that way, but it's not that way. So we'll put it in the Hero 7. Boom, it's in there. Let's see if we got any battery power. Okay, so let me put the door. Okay, now let's see. Is there any battery juice in it? Ooh, it's a little bit. Just a little bit of battery. So, we gotta charge it at 25. So we're going to have to charge it. I'm trying to hook it up to my computer because it's a USB hooked up to it. I know some people going, why you buy the 8? Because, let me break this down. Damn it. It's a lot of reasons why I don't think the 8 is that good. There were some people that made really good reasons. One, your hard case. You have a hard case. If you drop the new 8, it's like just shell. You dropped it. You gonna have scratches and stuff all over your camera without a hard case with the Hero 8 and stuff. So that's one reason I wouldn't buy that. 2, there's a lot of reasons a lot of people might keep their 7s is because you can take this off and replace it. You can't do that with that 8. And they still sell these. And I gotta buy one of these too. Best Buy, damn it. Best Buy, I didn't look to see if Best Buy, I did look, and I don't think they sell these. You have to go through the website. And this is hard to take off too. But that's the good thing. This cracks, boom. You can just go order another one. With that 8, you're taking the whole camera in. So, you know, that's the reason why I wouldn't buy that. You know, people who got the 7 might wait until the 9 or the 10 come out before we have to really change cameras and stuff. So, yeah, so that's what's going to end up happening is when the 9 or 10, I think that's when you see people who have the 7 will change to those, not to what's out now. So let me go charge this thing.